Once seated, secure loose articles in the zippered pouch behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down on the lap bar this time.
Look alive, guys. Here we go. Woohoo! Oh, there's already rust on the track. I actually forget what it's like in the front because I've always ridden in the back, but I've never ridden the front a lot. Ready? Yeah, let's do it. Here we go! Woohoo! Well, the back, I definitely remember the back being better, but how was it?
It was great, man.
It was good?
Yeah, it was good.
You think it's the best coaster you've been on?
That drop was crazy. Yeah.
It's even better in the back. I'm telling you, you thought the front was good, but wait till you get in the back. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting back in line.